Mesh Belt Tunnel Furnace Installation Guide. Before installation, prepare the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, wrench, scissors, and a hose clamp wrench. Remove the outer packaging and begin the installation. Step 1. Install the mesh belt. Using a long rod or a similar tool, pull the mesh belt through both furnace chambers. This step must be completed before connecting the two furnace chambers together. Otherwise, the tool may not be long enough to pass through both chambers after assembly. Step 2. Install the furnace entrance components. Install the furnace entrance assembly as shown in the video. Repeat the same installation on the opposite side. Step 3. Join the two furnace sections. Remove the top covers from the machine. Use scissors to cut and remove the cable ties securing the power cables. Remove the thermocouple and install it in its proper position. Release and straighten all the connecting cables and wires. Remove the fastening hardware from the connection points of the furnace sections. Carefully align the two furnace sections and join them together. Reinstall and tighten all fastening hardware securely. Step 4. Connect the wires and gas pipes between the furnace sections. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the side covers located on both sides of the gas flow meter. Connect the two gas hoses as demonstrated in the video. Next, connect the electrical wires. Route the wires through the two reserved openings at the bottom. Each wire is marked with a number from 0 to 7. Connect each wire to the terminal with the corresponding number. For the remaining red and green wires, connect them according to the wire colors and the matching connector colors. Step 5. Install and connect the mesh belt. Follow the procedure shown in the video to properly position and tension the mesh belt. Make sure the belt runs closely along the guide track. Connect the two ends of the mesh belt together. To separate the mesh belt, cut both ends of the connecting wire and pull the wire out. The belt can then be separated. Any excess mesh belt should be kept for future repairs if the belt becomes damaged. Remove a small section of the mesh belt by rotating and withdrawing the connecting wire. Then reconnect the two ends of the belt using the same method shown in the video. After completing the installation, reinstall all machine covers. Step 6. Connect the ammonia supply. Connect the ammonia gas line to the gas inlet connection shown in the video. Step 7. Connect the chiller or cooling water tank. The machine's water outlet must be connected to the chiller's water inlet. The machine's water inlet must be connected to the chiller's water outlet. Step 8. Connect the power supply. Blue wire is the neutral wire. Yellow-green wire is the earth wire. Other 3 wires are the live wires. The machine is ready for operation.